Today, let's get you introduced to the all-new RYOBI 18-volt 1+ 8Ah and 12Ah lithium high-performance batteries. These new RYOBI batteries are the perfect high-capacity and long-lasting solution that you need to have to expand the capabilities of your RYOBI 1+ tools. When you combine our premium 21700 cells and RYOBI's IntelliCell technology, these batteries deliver 40% more power. For example, the 12Ah battery will get up to 10 times more runtime. That's over 500 cuts through 2x6 yellow pine with our brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw to nearly up to 48 hours of runtime on our RYOBI fan. These batteries allow you to get more done faster. RYOBI's new innovative CoolCore Pro heat management system extends the life of your battery by 50%. These batteries utilize robust, laser-welded cell straps, upgraded heat sinks, and a more durable terminal design to reduce temperature while in use. Ultimately, this allows your RYOBI battery to run 30% cooler and deliver fade-free power in aggressive applications. A robust design and anti-vibration technology increases durability for even the most demanding of tasks. We've also added durable overmold to increase protection both on and off the job site, ensuring long-lasting performance. The high-visibility fuel gauge ensures you can easily identify remaining runtime, and these batteries are easy to install and remove with the secure, quick-release latches. Finally, pair these batteries with our all-new 18-volt 1+ 8A rapid charger to charge your 12Ah battery in under 90 minutes and 8Ah battery in under 1 hour. Best of all, these are part of the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ system of over 280 cordless products. The RYOBI 18-volt 1+ 12Ah and 8Ah batteries will be available for purchase in late summer 2023 exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.